of that?
I can if you like, yeah. Is that what you dug? That's a very big hole you know. Inara, that's a very big hole you dug, you guys. That's a very big hole, Inara, isn't it?
And water's going to come here and there's all the children away.
Really?
Oh boy, this is not going to work. No, I can make it. Oh yeah. Yes, look at
The boy in the black, I think, darling. That's right, Alex, it's not your bucket, darling. The bigger boy wants it back.
Hey, can I have the bucket back?
Alex?
Alex? My boy! Try to get to my boy!
Stop it. Jaden, stop it.
Oh, sorry. Ow! Ow! Ow!
Zaina! Zaina! Oi! Hello!
Hey, no, you're making it fall! Sorry. I'm just making it dry.
Are you digging deeper now?
Yes.
That's a very big hole.
Yes. We are friends then. I'll try digging from the other side. Okay. I'll try it right here.
Oh, wow.
You can make a sandcastle. You can make a sandcastle. Make a sandcastle.
Yeah, you can make a sandcastle. Good girl, Zaina. Good girl. Are you getting tired now, Inara? I think it's time to go home, Inara, is it?
I want to dig.
You want to dig? It's not time to go home.
It's a rake. You can dig as well with it.
Yeah.
We're just digging.
I can dig as well, can I? What? I don't know.
Stand up, please.
The hole is going to dip.
Joe, go home.
These babies are so sad as well.
That's a very big hole, isn't it, Zaina? What are they doing, darling? What are they doing? They're digging a hole in the sand.
Look at the one I'm digging.
Wow.
Daddy, bigger than
Wow. You, Zaina,
Daddy.
you're full of sand, sweetheart. Zin Zin.